I don't know if you can hear this, but this tree sounds to me like it's whispering, or it is some water is flowing. Am I heavy? Am I heavy?
I don't know, I'm busy looking at you. I don't know whether you are heavy. You are sitting on me, I don't feel anything. If you are sitting on me and I'm looking at you, I don't feel anything except looking at you.
Oh, retail. Three oaks.
3 oaks.
Yeah, the type of trees.
What does it mean, 3 oaks?
Oak is one,
Hmm.
and there are 3 of them.
Stupid Akhil Mishra again asks a stupid question. What can a stupid man ask a stupid question? Huh? You know?
And it's called Eiche in German.
What is Hai.She?
Eiche is oak. And its female is die Eiche.
That is the truck that they make.
Eiche?
Hmm.
Eiche is made into the last name. Yeah, the root is actually this tree. True. Maybe they transported wood once upon a time. Thanks for watching and sharing our journey to Germany. Please like, share and subscribe. See you next time.